So again, we're gonna use our tools, hip curve, French curve, to create a new line, a smooth line, which will blend all these points here. The video you're about to watch is a preview from one of my fashion design courses available online on Fashion Premier Academy. Roll it! And now it's just a matter of using my hip curve. I'm going to use the inside part in this case to create a nice smooth curve, eliminate those little corners right there. And now it's just a matter of cutting out the pattern so that when it's all gathered together, it'll match the yoke perfectly. But what if I don't want gathers or shirring here? What if I want pleats instead? So I'm going to place another piece of paper underneath like this, and I'm going to scotch tape the two pieces together, and then I'm going to create folds like this. So instead of shirring and gathers, I'm going to create pleats just like that. And I have to reshape and clean up the yoke line using my French curve or hip curve, and with a marker or a pencil you can just clean up that line right there. And now I'm going to cut that yoke line, and the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mark with notches. I'm going to mark the pleats so that the seamstress knows that this pleat goes to this one and this pleat goes to this one, and so on. And then it's just a matter of sewing the pleats together and sewing it to the yoke, just like that. See? Ta-da! Thank you for watching this video. Check out all the videos available on Fashion Premier Academy. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified every time I post a new video, which is every week. I'll see you in class.